Hey y'all, so I'm a goods. How y'all doing? I'm up in Home Goods trying to find some stuff. Alright, good morning everyone. I am up early. Everybody is asleep. My husband is gone, so I want to show you a few things I got for Christmas. And yeah, so I got this beautiful throw, y'all. Look at it. It's so soft. Oh my God, it's so soft. It's so soft. It is made from Berkshire Blanket and Home Company. Ebullience. They call it a oh my God, it's so soft. So I got this brown one. And I also got this nutcracker one. I don't know what's going on with me and nutcrackers, but look, y'all, it got the nutcracker on it. So pretty. It's from Holly Jolly Company. See? So pretty. Okay, I got that. I got this from one of my sisters. It is a candle. It smells so good. It's so pretty, right, y'all? It's purple. She loved purple. So I got that for her. I got this for my other sister, Stain. It's blue. It's teak wood's kind of strong. This one, I gotta get one more candle. I got this for my sister. Look at that one. Look at how pretty that looks. Like, it looks so good. Look at it. The bumps on it. And it is sterling rose and peony. So pretty. Okay. And then I got my baby dish, y'all. My middle baby. She going crazy over mushrooms. I don't know why. But I got her this. And she going crazy over leopard print. So I got her this candle. It smells so good. It smells like cinnamon. And it got a top. It's a mushroom. Isn't that cute? These to go with their candles. Look, y'all. Isn't it pretty? I got all of them one of these to go with their candles. Three are the same, and then this one is different. Look at that one. They only had three like this, so I had to get a different one. So yeah, so cute. From Cynthia Rollin Company. So cute. So I got that. I'm not gonna wrap this stuff. I'll probably get some boxes today from Home Goods. So this stuff came from Home Goods, so I'll probably get some boxes today. And then I got some of these. Aren't they cute? Santa Claus suit with the buckle. Look, and the poinsettia, a cookie, and a candy cane. So cute. So yeah, I got those. So that's all I got for right now. I'm going back shopping today after work and tomorrow morning. And I should be done. So yeah, I'm gonna set this down. So yeah, I gotta get some boxes for their lamps because I'm not trying to wrap none of this stuff. That's why I got them boxes. I'm gonna get some more boxes. No wrapping paper for me, man. Not this year. Not this year. I'm not gonna do it. That is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be back once I go to the store later and show you guys